How to get a free trial of Phorm app. The Phorm app is a fitness and nutrition tracking app designed to help users achieve their health goals. It includes macro tracking, workout programs, hydration monitoring, expert coaching, and educational content. New users can access a 7-day free trial to explore the app's features before subscribing. Step 1. Download the Phorm app. For iOS devices, visit the App Store and search for Phorm. For Android devices, go to the Google Play Store and download the app. Step 2. Create an account. Open the Phorm app after installation. Sign up using your email address and create a password. Step 3. Choose a subscription plan. Select one of the following plans. Both include a 7-day free trial. Standard plan, $9.99 per month or $59.99 per year. Premium plan, $29.99 per month or $159.99 per year. The free trial will give you full access to meal tracking, workouts, and expert coaching. Step 4. Enter payment information. Provide a valid credit or debit card to activate the free trial. You will not be charged until the trial period ends. Step 5. Start using the Phorm app. Begin tracking your meals, workouts, water intake, and steps. Access expert guidance from fitness professionals and dietitians. Explore educational content related to fitness and nutrition. Step 6. Manage or cancel your subscription. If you do not wish to continue, cancel before the 7-day trial ends to avoid charges. Cancel the subscription through your App Store or Google Play Store account settings. By following these steps, you can explore the Phorm app for free and decide whether it meets your fitness and nutrition goals.